You've seen this transparent text effect everywhere. Here's how to build it in a simple and clear way, and it works on both photos and videos. Start with your photo or video in the composition. Add your text on top. I'm using Babus Neue with a big font size. The bigger the better for this effect. Now right-click in the timeline, New Adjustment Layer, place it above the text layer. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Magnify. Apply it to the adjustment layer. Change the shape to square and increase the size to 1700. Now go to the track matte of the adjustment layer and set it to alpha matte, linked to your text layer. Now the magnify effect only shows through the text. Add the exposure effect to the adjustment layer. Crank the exposure up to 3.66. Now your text glows and the effect really pops. Want to add some extra life to it? Add a wiggle expression to the position of the adjustment layer. Wiggle open parenthesis 2,15 close parenthesis. The text starts breathing on its own. If this helped, subscribe. That's exactly what this channel is for. After Effects made simple. Next, how to build a responsive text box in After Effects. No plugins, no expressions, just pure After Effects.